Good morning, folks. Frank Zorrilla here, Zor Capital, the 5th of April, 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm doing a quick video in regards to Investors Business Daily. IBD does a great job narrowing down the universe of stocks from roughly 5,000 names to a few names that are fundamentally sound with great sales and earnings. And the way to find these stocks is they make it real simple. If you go onto investors.com, go to stock list. They have IBD 50, sector leaders, stock spotlight, IBD big cap 20s, and all these across the board. I already went through all these names. I came across two names that I believe are actionable today, if and only if they're able to get through yesterday's highs. So the first one, it's under stock spotlight, which is a daily stock list in IBD, which IBD seeks out good stocks to buy with top fundamentals that are getting close to breaking out. I went through all these names. CVTI right over here is a stock that looks actionable to me today if it can get through yesterday's highs. What you want to do is you want to click on this right over here, this check mark. It gives you a quick snapshot of the stock. Composite rating of 91, market direction and incorrection, so you have to be a little careful here. Industry group rank 37 out of 197. Group RS rating A-, EPS rating 96. Everything looks good across the board. If you go down here, it's going to give you the chart. If you are a Marcus Smith subscriber, you click right over here and it gives you this great looking chart. And here's what I'm looking at. I'm looking at a stock that's been trading sideways. It's fundamentally sound, first and foremost. You can see the earnings down right over here, plus 66%, plus 62%. Next year estimates up 117%. The stock has been trading sideways for roughly, call it 100 days. As you can see, between 25 and call it $30 a share. It broke out here on some earnings related news, but the market was under extreme pressure. The stock pulled back to the 50-day moving average. It bounced off that level, printed an inside day yesterday, and the high yesterday was roughly $30, I think $30.65. So very simply, I like this stock, and it's actionable to me going through the high of the day, yesterday's high. So my buy stop will be 10 cents above. And again, so here we have a stock that's been trading sideways for 100 days. Technically sound, fundamentally sound, so we're putting the odds in our favor. The next one that I'm looking at is under sector leaders, and very simply, sector leaders is the most stringent and powerful screen. Sector leaders, according to IBD, highlights the best stocks in IBD's top 33 sectors, and all the sector leaders show outstanding earnings and sales growth in recent quarters, and are strong across many fundamentals and price performance metrics. Again, I went through this name already, and I believe that MKSI is actionable if it's able to get through yesterday's highs, which was roughly 112.65. Again, you hit the little check mark, and you're going to see composite rating of 97, industry rank of 67, group rating of B+, EPS rating for MKSI plus 99%, EPS change 63%. Everything looks good across the board as far as the fundamental part of the company. Now again, if you're a Marcus Smith subscriber, you click over here to Marcus Smith, you get back to this chart over here, and what we're going to do is we're going to punch up MKSI. And let me tell you exactly what I'm looking at. Here is a stock that, similar to CVTI, trading sideways right over here for roughly 72 days between, call it, $85 a share and 110. It finally breaks out, has a strong, powerful move, but the market pressure catches up to the stock, and the stock pulls back. Here's the 50-day moving average. It's retesting the top of this box. And very simply, I like the stock going through yesterday's highs of 112.65 as it retakes the 50-day moving average and also successfully retest the top of this box. And again, 112.65 with a stop here at the low of the day. And we're looking at a stock that, number one, Look at the earnings here for the last 4 quarters, plus 234%, plus 96%, plus 77%, plus 63%. Estimates for next year, 34%. Sales have been over 20% as well. So here we have a fundamentally sound company that recently broke out, came under pressure because of the market, retesting the top of the box and the 50-day moving average. I think this offers a great risk reward trade. So trade them well and be well.